50 project provides students in the history and journalism programs with the opportunity to uncover and explore the fascinating and unique history of Stetson University. So the students are engaged in several activities. So first, they are working in Stetson's archives, uncovering real archival material just like historians. Second, they're doing oral histories. So they're interviewing key former Stetson students, faculty, staff to get those untold stories. And finally, they are actually recording podcasts in Stetson's What Radio.
And this initiative was not only about practicing journalistic interviewing skills, it was also about recording oral histories that would otherwise not be told.